video, we're asked to write a method called toString2, which will return a string representation of a list that contains, say, 5, -2, and 9. This is how it looks like. I don't have the original section handout. So we're going to just kind of wing this thing. So we're going to say public void, not void, string, because we're returning a string. And it's going to be toString2. It's not going to take any parameters whatsoever. Normally I would use a string builder here, but I guess we're not going to use one for this video. So I know at the beginning I want to have an opening brace, or an opening bracket, and then at the end I eventually want a closing bracket. Okay, so like all of our traversals so far, we need to say list node current pointed to the very front of the list, and we can say while current is not equal to null. What do we want to do? We just want to say str plus equals current dot data plus a comma. So that's going to work up until the very last node, because we're going to have 5 comma, -2 comma, and then we're going to have 9 comma, and that's not going to give us the result we want. So what's going to be a little bit better is if we actually do something like this, where we have the comma before the data. So now it'll give us comma 5, comma -2, comma 9. So not much better. All we really did was took out the extra comma here. So what do we actually need to do here? Well, we need to say, we need to modify our string initialization. So we have a bracket, and then we have list.data. And instead of current pointing to list, we can have current point to the next thing in the list, so that we can get the appropriate result here. And now we should get the expected result. I just need to put my things out here, put my semicolons, and we also need to return the string. So let's run it. Okay, we got something bad. Oh, we don't have a thing called list. It's called front. Okay, now let's submit this. Let's take a look. Hopefully we got everything correctly. So it's running. I do not want to search Google or Stack Overflow for this error. Let's take a look. So we had an indefinite loop. Because I forgot the most important thing. We need to actually traverse through the list. So, and not just keep looking at the same bit of data every single time. So pass, null pointer exception. The null pointer exception comes from this. So we need to make a condition that says if front is equal to null, we just want to return null. I think we just want to return null. Yeah, because otherwise we're trying to access something that we don't have. Okay, we passed almost everything but this. Oh, okay, I see. I need to read the spec more thoroughly. Okay, well, it doesn't say anything in the spec, but I guess we'll just kind of leave it like this. So if the front is equal to null, we point this. Now, we could actually avoid all of this checking at the very front. We could actually just say, we could actually totally avoid all that by putting this bit of code, well, this bit of code inside of here somewhere. But for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to leave it like this. It's not the most clean, it's not the most clean version of this problem, but it works. So we'll see you guys next time.